Cat bite? Oh yeah.
What kind of bug is that?
I saw that one.
And do you know this look like that? And you got me on it.
Lord, I'm in a real life movie.
She's like a Jurassic Park though. Huh? The red, you don't have the red flower over here that the anaconda was at?
Nah.
No, it was fake? That's fake? Oh. Oh my God.
You scared to walk through there?
I am terrified.
Well, look, you get
This is an experience for you. Hey, you hear me?
all for photography.
Literally walk through water to get a good shot.
Look here.
Oh my God. This is beautiful but scary. So, over here. I'm gonna let you get that first. Hold on.
He didn't tell us about this part until we got
Get
here.
this part out.
Something got my foot.
Something got your foot.
Yeah.
What touched it?
Probably
Was it a snake?
look like a limb.
Going down.
Again.
That's a little dip right there.